In a world dominated by screens, notifications, and constant connectivity, finding moments of true disconnection has become a rare and valuable luxury. Welcome back to our channel, where today we embark on a journey to explore the concept of digital detox, a revolutionary approach to rekindling our connection with the real world. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mental Wellness Junction. Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital detox. We'll explore what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, how you can integrate it into your own life for a healthier and more balanced existence. So, let's get started. Understanding digital detox. To kick things off, let's define what exactly a digital detox is. In simple terms, it's a deliberate and temporary break from screens, devices, and the virtual world. It's a chance to step back, recalibrate, and reestablish a healthier relationship with technology. In our hyper-connected society, we're bombarded with a constant stream of information, notifications, and social media updates. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from reality. A digital detox helps us regain control over our time, attention, and mental well-being. So, why does digital detox matter? Well, studies have shown that excessive screen time is linked to various issues such as digital eye strain, decreased attention span, and even disrupted sleep patterns. Moreover, excessive screen time can impact our relationships, hinder productivity, and contribute to feelings of anxiety and stress. By disconnecting from screens, we create space for meaningful face-to-face interactions, self-reflection, and activities that nourish our souls. Benefits of digital detox. Now, let's delve into the numerous benefits of embracing a digital detox lifestyle. Digital detoxes can lead to improved mental clarity, increase creativity, and reduce stress levels. It's like giving our brains a much-needed reset. Engaging in offline activities like hiking, reading a physical book, or simply enjoying quality time with loved ones can bring immense joy and fulfillment. How to implement a digital detox. Now that we've covered the what and why, let's talk about the how. How can you actually implement a digital detox in your own life? Start by setting clear boundaries. Designate tech-free zones or specific times of the day when screens are off limits. Create a morning routine that doesn't involve reaching for your phone first thing. Journaling, meditation, or a simple stretch can set a positive tone for the day. Engage in activities that nourish your mind and body. Cook a meal from scratch, try a new hobby, or spend time in nature. Overcoming challenges. Of course, no journey is without its challenges. When attempting a digital detox, you might encounter the fear of missing out or the habit of mindless scrolling. To overcome these challenges, practice mindfulness. When you feel the urge to check your device, take a deep breath and ask yourself if it's truly necessary. Remember, a digital detox isn't about complete avoidance but about finding a healthier balance. And there you have it, our journey through the world of digital detox. Remember, it's not about quitting technology altogether, but about reclaiming a healthy balance that nourishes your well-being. As we conclude this video, I invite you to take on a digital detox challenge. Start small, commit to a screen-free evening or a tech-free weekend, and notice the positive changes it brings. Thank you for joining me today on this insightful exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, remember, a little disconnection can lead to a lot of reconnection with what truly matters. Stay well and stay balanced.